Hey, this is Ankur Shukla here, and I hope that was entertaining for you. Well, now let's talk about business. AI is here to stay. That is a fact. We cannot fight it. It will be the new normal. But what we can do is take advantage of AI to make our bank accounts bigger. First, AI took over content with ChatGPT, and now AI is taking over photos. Now that brings us to this amazing opportunity that is here for the very first time. Now you can launch an AI photo studio that creates amazing, high quality photos and headshots, and you can sell them with full commercial rights. How is that possible? Introducing Photo Studio AI. This is software I created that does all the hard work for you. You press one button and we do the rest. Want to see a demo? Let's dive in. Once you log into Photo Studio AI, you can go here and click the upload button. Now just pick any regular photo that you have. Just make sure it's clear with good light and no extra objects. Now upload this photo to the software. Wait a few minutes, and once it's ready, you can choose whether you want to make a photo for LinkedIn or Instagram. Now if you want a professional photo, pick this option. But if you want a casual fun photo, you can pick the other one. Now let's click here and then click Generate Image. Now just wait a few minutes and let the AI do its magic. It takes less than 5 minutes. And there you go, your perfectly created headshot photo from a boring regular photo. All done in under 5 minutes without a camera, without equipments, and without a studio. No skills or experience required. This software allows anyone, even a 68-year-old grandmother, to become a professional photographer. It's simple, it's fast, and it creates high quality photos that you can sell and make money. Recently, I sold a pack of 5 photos to over 12 individuals just over a WhatsApp group and made over $300 in one day. Now, one of those guys saw my post and contacted me. He owned a real estate agency. He paid me over $1,200 to make photos for all his real estate agents. All this in less than 4 days. How much time did it take me to make all those photos? Less than 1 hour, without even a website. How amazing is that? Now, you don't need to be an expert photographer. You don't need to build a website or make an online store. You can take this software, make amazing photos for everyone, and make money while helping them get better jobs, land interviews, and upgrade their lives. There are over 500 million professionals who need good headshots and photos, and you can be the one to make one for them. Your clients are everywhere. Just look around you. Everyone needs great photos. Your neighbor starting a new job, your local coffee shop owner, the up-and-coming YouTuber down the street. Imagine if you could literally turn one click into cash. Here's what you might earn. One photo can be sold for 20 to 50 bucks. 10 photos, $200 to $500. 50 photos can make you over $1,000 to $2,500. That's right, over $2,000 from these 50 AI-made photos that look amazing and real. With Photo Studio AI, you can help them